What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing well, feeling great, and enjoying freedom. It's a great day to have a great day. Today, I wanted to talk about the Federal Reserve and what's being referred to as an emergency meeting that was quietly scheduled for today. A lot of people are freaking out about this, and a lot of people don't even know what's going on. So we're going to get into it, but really quick, just in case you're new, make sure to subscribe for daily videos, subscribe to my second channel for weekly videos, get yourself some DYDSS merchandise to help support the channel. Come and join us in the Precious Metals VIP Club for giveaways, live streams, deal alerts, and a whole lot more. And of course, go and get your 2 free stocks by downloading Webull and funding your account. Everything is linked in the description. So today is Monday, February 14th, 2022. Believe it or not, I'm actually filming it on Sunday the 13th, 2022, and I'm going to schedule it to come out Monday morning, probably about an hour before the Federal Reserve's meeting, which should be around 11:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, which means I have no idea what the spot price of silver and gold are looking like or what the stock market is doing right now because it's closed. It's the weekend. So head on down to the comments and let me know the date and time you're viewing the video and what the current spot price is for you or how the stock market is behaving today. I'm always curious. Okay, so in today's video, we're going to be talking about currency. We're not really going to be talking about silver and gold in this particular video because I wanted to really laser in on what the Federal Reserve is doing. More specifically, some updates that we have regarding a quote-unquote emergency meeting with the Federal Reserve. Just to catch everyone up to speed, on January 25th and 26th, the Fed had a crucial meeting to discuss the tapering and rate hikes. The information was released and let us know that at the moment, the Fed intends to stick to their game plan of reducing bond buying by $30 billion a month every month through March. This is the taper. And then at that point, they'd begin raising rates, likely by 0.25% at a time. This was about 2 weeks before the January inflation report came out. Now, if you remember, between the Federal Reserve's meeting and the release of the January inflation report, I posted a video talking about rate hike expectations and explained that January and February's inflation reports are major catalysts that could, in theory, make the Federal Reserve take emergency action, which could result in ending the taper sooner than planned and or raising rates in larger increments, potentially 0.5% at a time rather than 0.25% at a time. If, of course, inflation continues to get out of control. Again, this was before the January inflation report was released. So then on February 10th, this past Thursday, we got the January inflation report and we learned that inflation is no longer at 7%, but it's now at 7.5%. Remember, this report is one of 2 major catalysts that could lead the Federal Reserve to taking drastic measures and essentially pull the rug out from under us in an attempt to tackle worsening inflation. So we got the report on Thursday, and then on Friday, the entire stock market fell, and of course, everything closed for the weekend. But then on Saturday, I noticed something. I had noticed that on the Federal Reserve website, that a closed board meeting had quietly been scheduled for the morning of Monday, February 14th at 11:30 a.m. Coincidentally, 1 hour after I'm posting this video right here. This, right off the bat, signaled to me that this might be something to be worried about. And I had noticed that a lot of people on Twitter were very clearly worried about this. As previously mentioned, if inflation keeps getting worse, the Fed would likely have to take emergency action. So I didn't know if this was something that should be viewed as an emergency meeting, like a lot of people are saying, or if this is just simply like all of their other closed board meetings, which usually occur 2 to 3 times a month, every month. I'm personally leaning toward it being nothing to worry over, at least hopefully. So I don't mean to set off any alarms. I just wanted to talk about this because I see that a lot of people are freaking out over this. The meeting is scheduled for today, so I'll be keeping an eye out for updates and I will be making a video as soon as I get some information. There is likely going to be another video posted a little bit later today, so keep your eyes peeled for that. Look forward to that. And if you're in the Precious Metals VIP Club, you'll be able to watch that video as soon as I'm done editing it, which is usually around 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, as for the stock market and as for some expectations that I have, again, I'm filming this video on Sunday, not Monday when it's coming out. I'm personally anticipating for us to open up in the red. And the reason I say that is because with a quote-unquote emergency meeting, or just simply a meeting that none of us were really expecting, to be scheduled very quietly, coincidentally, just a couple days after inflation got even worse when it was already horrible to begin with, I'm personally expecting that this is just going to do nothing but inject even more fear, even more uncertainty, and even more doubt into the markets. And we all know what fear, uncertainty, and doubt do to the markets. Causes a lot of red, causes a lot of pain, causes a lot of people to freak out, usually over nothing. Again, I'm personally not really expecting this to be anything to worry about all that much. But again, I'll be keeping my eyes peeled. I'll be looking for updates. I'll be reading as much news and information as I can, and I will be making as many videos as possible. So I want you guys to head on down to the comments and let me know once again, how is the market freaking out? If it's freaking out at all. Let me know what the spot price of silver and gold are looking like today. Let me know how the stock market is stirring up today. I'm very curious, so head on down to the comments and let me know. If you guys like today's video, please hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, subscribe to my second channel for weekly videos, get yourself some DYDSS merchandise to help support the channel in the biggest possible way. T-shirts, hoodies, stickers, coffee mugs in a bunch of different designs. DYDSS store will be linked in the description. Come and join us in the Precious Metals VIP Club for giveaways every single month, live streams multiple times a week, deal alerts every single day. You can watch all of my videos early and commercial free, and there are a ton of other perks as well. VIP Club link in the description. And of course, last but not least, go and get your 2 free stocks by downloading Webull and funding your account. They're going to give you 2 free random stocks just for doing so. Webull link in the description. And I want you guys to head on down in the comments and let me know once again, when it comes to this quote-unquote Federal Reserve emergency meeting, did you know about this? Did you hear about this? Is this something that you had already seen or were aware of or potentially been worrying about? Or is this video right here that you're watching the reason you found out about it in the first place? And again, let me know what spot price is doing. Let me know how the stock market is reacting today so far. And of course, if you're watching this video after the Federal Reserve meeting, and if you have any information or updates on that, head on down to the comments and let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you tomorrow. Don't you dare stop smiling. Peace.